Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making the Mighty Smash Burger. A famous burger because you specifically get to smash it in the pan. It results in crispy edges, gorgeously tender pieces of meat, and I'll slap on top with that good old American cheese, some onion, lettuce, tomato, and a secret hamburger sauce. Smash burgers coming up. For this recipe, we're using 1 pound of ground beef. And you want beef that has a good quantity of fat. We're using 80 by 20, meaning 80% lean, 20% fat. We want that fat to render within the burgers, and they will be so juicy. To begin, get a handful of ground beef and shape it into a ball. With 1 pound of ground beef, we should be able to get about 4 meatballs. We're not forming them into patties, we just want a big handful of meat. The whole idea is you want it craggy, you want it a bit rough and ready, you want it to look rustic. And if you start making them into patties and adding all other ingredients, you won't get that. It's all about the meat here. We are seasoning with a generous amount of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. And for the secret sauce, we're using 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mayo, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of relish. To the sauce, we're adding 1 pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of onion powder, a pinch of paprika. Mix it all in, and we're going to set it aside. Set your skillet to high heat and add a little bit of vegetable oil. Place the meatballs onto the hot skillet, and we're going to smash them down. With a spatula and the help of a potato masher, go ahead and press on them. We want an even and flat surface. Get smashing. We want them to cook and form a crust instantly. They're going to cook for about 1.5 minutes on each side. These guys are done on one side, let's go ahead and flip them. And just like a good old diner burger, we're going to put 1 slice of cheese per burger on only one of the patties. And for a perfect smash burger, we're using American cheese. Why American cheese? Because it fills all the crevices with gooey cheesiness. And these are cooking so fast, you want the cheese to melt as fast as possible. These guys are ready to be plated. And before we put our burgers together, we must toast the bread. Let us go some first, prevents wilting. Then some thinly sliced white onion. Now we're going to put the patty with cheese on it, followed by the plain patty, tomato goes next, and then we add 3 slices of pickles. Last but not least, we're doing the special sauce. Let's spread a good amount and make it saucy. Give them a little squeeze down and look at all that gorgeous juice that comes out. That for me is the perfect, proper, old school burger. And no wonder smash burgers are so popular now. They are a celebration of no-fuss burger that delivers meaty, cheesy glory. Let's give it a try. This burger tastes fantastic. Those craggy little bits, those caramelized meaty bits, the smoky flavor you get from just pan frying them until they get really crispy on the outside, and a fantastic flavor from the special sauce. This is dripping all over. I'm just going to finish it off. A messy burger is a really good burger. And there you guys have it, smash burgers. Enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and YouTube wants you to watch that recipe and that recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, thanks for watching.